Hey guys, this is Muchibi Maxon again, and in this video tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to edit a bunch of files, a bunch of images in Photoshop at once. Like, you know that time when you have like a lot of images, you want to resize them, like you have 100 photos and you want to resize them all like into the same resolution. Like you have full HD images and you want to resize them into just standard 720p HD. It's not the standard, but you know what I mean now. So like you have a bunch of images for a client, you want to do some color corrections, color balance. So I'm going to be showing you how to edit a bunch of images in Photoshop. So I have some images here I downloaded from the internet. Yes, for a city, for a car, for some flower, and this one for Scarlett Johansson. So they are all full HD images. If I see if I can see their properties here, get info. Okay, it doesn't show its info. It doesn't show that they are full HD, but they are all full HDs. And if I open one with Z, it will show here that it's full HD, and they all are full HDs. So now I have open Photoshop open here, so you should open up your Photoshop, and here in the Windows tab, come and look for action. If you don't have it docked here, I have mine docked, but if you don't have it, come to Window and search for actions, and you should click on that. It should open it here. So if you don't see it here, you can even come here and search for action, and it should bring it right here if you're running Mac OS X, because Windows doesn't have this. Now to do that, you're gonna have to first open up at least one image. Let me open up this one of Scarlett Johansson. Just wait for it. Now that it has loaded in, I'm gonna open up this, and you should create a new action. So just click on this button here, which is for create action. I'm just gonna call it resize because I want it to resize all of my images, and I'm gonna do just gonna press record now. So now it's recording. So what you should be doing is everything you do from now on is going to be saved in this script. So you should not do anything that you wouldn't like to do to the other pictures. So since I only want to resize this image, just gonna come to image size. As you can see, it's full HD. Just gonna check constraint proportions, scale styles, and just do 120 1280. Sorry. Now I'm just gonna press OK, and you should see image resize added here under your resize action. Now you should save it as well. You can do anything you want here. You can change the color balance, edit, add stuff, but I'm just gonna only show you resize. You can do anything from here. So you should do the save, because if you don't save it here, your images might not save when you apply this action to other images. So I'm just gonna come and just simply click save. Just gonna put it to large file. Just click OK. Now my image has been saved. I'm just gonna simply click here to stop this recording now. I should press stop here. And now my action has been saved. It's called resize. So now to edit all the other images, I could, let me first put this out. I could come and open them all like this. This one is no longer full HD, it's just HD. Okay, I'm just gonna, let me just delete it for now, and just gonna click on these ones, and I'm gonna open with Photoshop. The one way to do it is like this. You could just simply open all of them in Photoshop and come to File, Automate, Batch, and from here select the name you gave it. Mine was resized. I named it resize, and set default action. Should leave that. Source the files that you want to edit to apply the action 2, as you can see, it has opened files checked. This means that the action will apply to those files that are opened in Photoshop. Or you could select a folder and choose the folder that you want that has all of your images. If you don't want to like open all of them in Photoshop, you could just click on folder. Make sure you check this override open. Okay. Okay, I know that. Okay, you should just check all of these. If you want all the subfolders to be included, and just choose the folder that you want. But since I don't want to do that, I'm just gonna choose open files, open files. Now when I click OK, all of my images are going to be resized into 720p HD instead of full HD. So now I'm just gonna click OK, and you should see all of your images getting resized, and they are saved automatically. So now when I go back to my images here, as you can see now they are just HD 720 HD. Let's see if I can get info from this. It still doesn't show me here that it's HD, but when I use Z to open them, as you can see, this one is HD here, HD, just the 720 HD, not this the full HD here as well, and HD here. So you can use this to edit a bunch of files, from hundreds to thousands of files. So thanks you guys for watching. Subscribe, you can like, comment if you are in trouble, and I'll see you guys in the next video.